Hi everyone! Happy New Year! Yay! Good morning! So, it's January... May sali ka dito. January 1st, 2026. Tapos na kabig mag-breakfast ni Daddy. So, show ko lang sa inyo kung what I've got last night. New Year's Eve. Today is New Year's Day. Okay, meron ako ditong one bag ng kung ano-ano. Okay, mamaya na ito. Okay, first, what I've got is Coach wallet from Cathy. Thank you, Cathy. Yan. Coach. Then, thank you, Ate Sheila. Sa body spray Platinum by Bath and Body Works. Yan siya. Ilang ml? It's 236 ml. Tsaka may kasama siyang lotion. May lotion. Yan. And the next we got this from from Daddy's work. Ano siya? From Japan. Okay. Open natin. Mahirap palang i-open ng isang kamay. Okay, hold on. Okay, ulit. Kasi ang hirap. Okay, this is from Daddy's work. Tada! It's a bag. It's a shopping bag from Japan. From Tokyo, Japan. Tokyo, Japan. Japan. Okay, next. Ito ay from Mel and Bano. Merry Christmas. Thank you. It's a lip tint. Okay. Let's open it. Let's see. Ano kayang shades to? It's Peri Pera Ink Mood Glowy Tint. Number 3, Rose in Mind. Rose. Probably it's kind of pinkish or red. Si Daddy at si Owen ay PC. Lalagay nila yung gift ni Owen kay Mama. It's a TV. Ay. Hindi ko ma-open. Oops. Ang hirap naman i-open. I'm thankful for them. Thankful tayo kasi hindi nila tayo nakakalimutan. Ayan. Mel, thank you. Thank you for the gift. Oh, ang cute. My heart. Favorite ko may mga heart. Ang ano nito ay Peri Pera. Excuse me sa mga daliri ko. Peri Pera. Let's see. Okay. It's lip tint. Yan. Ay. Okay, thank you, Mel. Thank you for my lip tint. Dalawa siya. Binigay niya pa ako ng isa nung pumunta kami sa bahay nila. Okay, next. Meron tayong Lakeside Morning Crisp Airwood Fresh Green Apple Concentrated Room Spray. Kay Daddy to. So, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Binigay niya sa akin. Ito ay Bath bombs from coworkers. Daddy's co-worker. Ano? Hand soap, hand sanitizer, and lotion. Thank you to Daddy's co-worker. So, napupunta sa akin lahat yung mga hand soap and lotion. This is from Victoria's Secret Love Spell. Thank you, Ate Tess. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Victoria's Secret Love Spell. Amin natin. Ayan. Amoy bagong ligo. Amoy bagong ligo. Fresh air. Matamis. Matamis siya. Another hand sanitizer. Cherry Blossom. Yan. Favorite ni Daddy. Cherry Blossom. Yan ang favorite niya. Meron tayong anong tawag dito? Hindi naman siya handkerchief. Makalimutan ko na kung anong tawag dito. But it's nice. Ay, baliktad. Tingnan nyo yung ano niya. It's purple or violet na scarf. Yun pala, scarf. Kalimutan ko na. Scarf. Scarf pala to. Thank you kung sino man ito galing. Another lotion. Another lotion galing sa co-worker ni Daddy. Siyempre, saan mapupunta kundi sa akin. Asan na sila? Busy sila ni Dad, ni Owen. Si Daddy, si Owen ay busy. Next time, kasama ko si Daddy sa vlog. Ito ay separate vlog. Ano lang, haul. So, hopefully, ang ating basura ay ibalik sa bag. Okay. Another lotion, Victoria's Secret, Lost in Daydream. Ano natin? Ay, ba't wala lumalabas? Kasi nakasil pa. Ay, ano ba yan? Let's see. Balik natin. Halo-halo ng amoy ko. Bango. Mabango siya. Sa mga nasa US, favorite store niyo, di ba, ang Victoria's Secret? May kasama siyang antibacterial moisturizing hand sanitizer. Yan. Okay, next. Another lotion. So, lotion haul pala to. Into the Night at saka Japanese Cherry Blossom. Thank you sa mga nag-gift. Hindi ko alam kung sino sila, pero thank you. Another one. Pwede nating suotin sa this year, sa Christmas again, in 11 months. 11 months, Christmas na naman. Okay, thank you. Ang cute. Pwede natin gamitin kay Mace. Mace! This is yours. And then, meron pang Aquaphor for your lips, dry lips. Kung dry mga lips nyo, try Aquaphor. Another strawberry hand sanitizer para palaging malinis ang kamay. At saka yung para sa mga nurses na ginagamit nila sa sa ID. At saka last one is another pen, essential. So yan. Thank you everyone sa mga gifts. Okay, moving forward. Siyempre, ang kids, meron din gifts sa mommy. Okay, bilis-bilisan natin kasi it's, 9 minutes na. 9 minutes na. Okay. This is from Apple. It's a blue sweater. magagamit ulit kapag Christmas time or winter season. Yan. Cute ang color. Next is PJs. It's a long sleeves PJs from Apple. Thank you, Apple. I love you. And then yung PJs niya, it's gray. Another one is from Ate Sheila. Ate Sheila, thank you for the sweater. Thank you for the sweater. Yan, clothes hole. At saka isang pants from Mama. Okay, next. Ito naman ang nakuha ko sa gift exchange. Gift exchange or exchange gift. It's a Kate Spade. Let's see. Kate Spade, New York. This is from my coworker. Siya ang nakabunot sa akin sa gift exchange na. Mali. Secret Santa. Secret Santa. So, let's see what's inside. So, meron akong notepad, sorry. Notepad from Kate Spade. Thank you. Thank you sa Secret Santa ko. Essential. Paper. I love paper. Okay, tanggalin natin to. It's a black. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung merong pangalan siya. Wala siyang pangalan. Ang sabi niya lang ay black knot large tote. So, large tote. Yan. Office bag. Work bag. Yan. Next time, tayo ng what's in my purse. Okay. Okay. So, this is how it looks like. Kung makita yung pangalan niya. Ito. Sorry. Ito pala siya. Kate Spade. It's a large bag. Tote bag. So, inside, and put it there. Tapos, a packet. May packet. Yan. And then, paano to? Okay. Oh, okay. So, ito pala yung pang-ano niya. Hindi pala siya lalagyan ng wallet. Kundi, pwede mo siyang isara ng ganyan. Yan. Yan, nice. Pwede mong lagyan ng laptop if you have a laptop. Tapos, ayan si Mace. Hi, Mace. Say hi. So, yan. Kate Spade, thank you to my Secret Santa. Okay, next is this Kindle. Okay. Isarap ko lang yung camera. Wait. Next is Kindle from Ate Mouse. Thank you, Ate Mouse. Thank you. It's a 16 gigabytes Kindle. So, I'll make another video. Next is from Daddy. Oh, yung shoes pa. Daddy got me the Instamax Fujifilm. So, another video for this one pag nag-unboxing tayo. Okay? Tapos, try natin mag-click ng pictures. Pictures with Macy. Hi, Mace! Macy! What you doing? Hi! Yan ba si Macy? And I got Curec from another Secret Santa. So, dalawang Secret Santa namin sa work. One is from departments. And then, one is for the whole staff. Yay. Coffee maker. Curec is a coffee maker. Kung hindi nyo alam. Oh, it's a black coffee maker. So, sabi ni Daddy, dadali na lang namin ito sa Philippines. Ganito po siya. Curec. Water. Ito, yung water. Tapos, yung, ano bang tawag dun? Pads bang tawag dun? Ilagay mo dito yung coffee sa loob. Tapos, push it down. And then, start. Ito pala, power muna. Power button. Ito, power button. At saka dito. Itong gray na to, just have to press this and then it start making your coffee. Thank you. Sa aking Secret Santa, which is si Ate Elaine. Ate Elaine, thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the gifts. Meron pa tayong ibang gifts, pero next time na lang. Hindi siya kompleto, pero it's okay. This is my first vlog for the year 2026. 2026. Ano lang to? Hobby, kumbaga. Just a hobby. Hindi ko na alam kung paano ko ibabalik. Si Daddy na lang. First vlog for 2026. Sana everybody had a great time with your families. We had a great time last night. We're happy. Kids are happy. Napanood nyo na ba yan? Yung Wrath of Man. Sabi nila maganda yan. Naglilinis na sana ako, kaso sabi ni Daddy, ay, kita yung kalat namin. Ayan, naglilinis ako. Ibababa na namin ang Christmas tree. Ay, no. Kiss na. Ibababa na namin ni Mason Christmas tree. Are you excited for 2026? Miss? Are you excited this year? Huh? Say hi. Hi, everyone. Welcome to our vlog. Okay, that's it. Have a good the rest of your day. And smile lang palagi. Diba, Miss? Smile lang palagi. Always be happy. Hanapin ko na yung aking Daddy at si Owen. So we can start putting down the Christmas tree. Happy New Year, guys! Ay! I know. Gusto mo? Anong gusto? Happy New Year! See you next time. See you in our next vlog. Happy New Year. Bye! Hi, Miss! Oh, hi! Hi, everyone! Good morning! It's New Year's Day, January 1st, 2026. Yan. We just finished